Underscore the line, understand the line. Who are we? Beats, rhymes, and live. Beats, rhymes, and live.
Hey y'all, I'm Brianna, a peer mentor representing Oakland nonprofit Beats, Rhymes, and Life, a youth-centered community organization that utilizes the power of hip-hop as a vehicle to inspire self-empowerment and reveal a capacity for self-expression. We combat the many stigmas of mental health by providing youth with a non-traditional therapeutic service through our curriculum that aims to bridge connections while creating music.
Here at Beats, Rhymes, and Life, we've served over 4,500 youth across the Bay Area and abroad in our therapeutic activity groups, or TAGs. Our TAG model is run by 3 facilitators: a teaching artist, a clinician, and a peer mentor. This approach allows groups to be dynamic by providing 3 unique perspectives from each facilitator that play a specific role in their interactions with youth in our groups. Here's Keith to tell you more about what we do as peer mentors.
As peer mentors, our responsibility is to make sure we uphold the core values of the group, aka the agreements. We are the bridge between the facilitators and the youth. This role is usually filled by older TAY from 18 to 25. It is important that we have people our clients can see themselves in. So I believe if we didn't have this role, it would be harder for us to connect with our kids.
It ensures a safe space where everyone can learn and grow from one another. In addition to that, having more than one facilitator can be beneficial for the group because the youth can see that there's no hierarchy there. And also, it's beneficial because one facilitator may pick up on something about a youth and another may not. So it's great to have a team. We can put our minds together to best serve our youth.
Why is it important for us to have 3, which is a lead facilitator, peer mentor, and a clinician? Because it brings balance to the group, but also balance to the youth as well. A lot of youth don't have certain balances in their lives, and we give that to them. And it also helps out with roles and responsibilities, so it won't rely just on one person. One thing I bring differently as a lead facilitator to the group is my style is energy. I bring a lot of energy. People that join the women's group or East Bay group that I'm doing, it's a lot of jokes, a lot of laughs, and a family atmosphere that starts off with my staff and then trickles on down to the youth. And we have a lot of fun and get work done.